Hi, I'm an engineer. I'm going to talk about problems of tsunami and why the tsunami barrier needs to be built. According to the Free Dictionary, the tsunami means a massive sea wave produced by underwater earthquake. Earthquake happens when the tectonic plates slide against each other. This creates waves at sea. We call this tsunami. The tsunami occurs when the tectonic plate obtures each other and the seafloor volcano explodes massive amount of energy into the water. Then the energy released in water becomes a wide wave. Then the tsunami goes to coastal area. When the seafloor gets higher, the wavelength gets narrow and faster. Therefore, the amplitude of the wave becomes more deeper. When the tsunami arrives in the coastal area, land it becomes huge wave about 5 to 10 meters high. The tsunami collided and washed away all the infrastructure and killed lots of people. The tectonic plate in Indian Ocean is a geographically complex area. As a research base, we did 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. According to the USGS, during Indian Ocean earthquake, Indian plate jumped more than 60 feet in 3 minutes. Along 750 miles of the pure seafloor water there's more than 30 feet. The plates were shaved together in 22 meters and it jerked about 5 meters. The tsunami was huge, which occurred 1,000 miles away. Building can notice the earthquake. The tsunami make building bend, twist, and shear. According to John Reid and Son Ltd, usually wall building cannot block tsunami and it collapse unless the building can bear the pressure of water. Pressure of the water is very heavy. 7 depths of water have pressure of 450 pounds per square feet. The pressure is very high, so usually building cannot bear. Deeper the water, greater the pressure. The water twists when there is tsunami. They absorb and destruct the infrastructure and move to everywhere. This is why we can see in the picture or in the news there is a ship on the street. The natural disaster can damage animal, vegetation, ecosystem, people, and lots of infrastructure like buildings. Animals, especially sea animals like fish, dolphins can lose their specific area home due to tsunami waves and might get hit by tsunami and die. The fish price will get more expensive for people to eat. Vegetation, due to saltwater intrusion, the vegetation cannot live and die. Therefore, the food price also will get higher. Ecosystem and living creature. An immense amount of water comes inside into the land, and the trees, plants, forests all get damaged. Trees sometimes get taken out from the roots and get damaged. Living creatures like fly, insects, and small living creatures get died by tsunami. The environment will be destroyed. The forest collapse so that all the soil come out, trees come down. The living animal in the ecosystem is also dangerous. This can cause some people lose their job. Thousands of people's life is taken due to tsunami. Tsunami sweep everything, include humans, so people can die. Hundreds of people lost their family members and lost their home. This also can cause the Indonesia economical big issue. Tsunami destroy most of the building unless the infrastructure can build the tsunami's weight. The houses will be mostly destroyed, so lots of people will lose their house and all their things. For one word, we did environmental and economical. Due to tsunami, thousands of people will be die, lost their life, lost their home when the tsunami happens. Tsunami destroy lots of infrastructure in the environment from the human and animal. Lots of fish animal also lost their life due to big tsunami. People who got affected as animal, vegetation, people, infrastructure, economical, and living creature. For economical, tsunami happens areas citizens, tax increase, government, people get affected by tsunami. They're gonna affected by tsunami that for people, the tax amount of the citizens increase. The tax will be collected and used to fix the after effect of tsunami. The problem is that the tsunami happens almost every year, so it'd be better to build a barrier to prevent a lot of money invested block the money and use the tax money efficiently. The government needs to pay every year a lot of money to fix the after effect of tsunami. It greatly affected Indonesia's economy. For that money, Indonesia's government needs to use for better reasons and ways, but it just went for after effects. The tsunami happens almost every year. It gives huge negative impact into the Indonesia's economic growth. The tourism also can get reduced. The Indonesia is located on the center of Indian Ocean, so most of the Indian Ocean tsunami goes to Indonesia. Usually the first hit of tsunami goes to Sibolga, Sumatra, Indonesia. 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami also hit first in Sibolga, Sumatra, Indonesia, 1 hour 47 minutes after the earthquake happened in Indian Ocean. Just for 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, it is made more than 230,000 people died just in Indonesia. People died in more than 14 different countries in the world. Because of tsunami, Indonesia gets huge impact on economic damage. But the problem is that Indonesia is one of the low-income countries, but highest country that got most economical damage by tsunami. Thus, for tsunami, Indonesia had used $4,451,600,000 just in 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, because 235,800 people died, to fix the damage that tsunami gave. It is huge amount of money and it gave huge impact on Indonesia's economy. But the problem is that almost every year Indonesia gets the tsunami. Not as big as 2004, but so they desperately need solution, and we do think we need twin rings tsunami barrier in the Sibolga, Sumatra, Indonesia, where most of the tsunami first hit.